No mai koutou, ko Owen ahau. I am Owen.
And moa today, WINTON SCHOOL, ko Dylan ahau. I am Dylan. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for right upper the 16th of February.
Okay, let's start the day with the tidy class news. A big pizza drum roll please for
rooms 1 and 12. Congratulations and keep up the good work, koutou.
Okay, straight into kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Kainga, which is te reo for home.
As in, kei te kainga ahau. I am at home.
Sweet as, you can get my slippers.
Dada, king kainga, which is te reo for home.
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high from 1 till 3.
So make sure you are wearing your potae and your sunsmart from 10:30 koutou. Kia ora.
In HI VIZ VESTS, most students are wearing them. Please do likewise.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Sports news. Please return all equipment into the trolleys at the end of playtime and lunchtime.
Ka pai and listen in for touch notices and practice times right here.
Okay, one birthday at WINTON School today. My brother Isaac is the big hero 6.
Happy birthday, young Mr. Ellis. Have a great day.
Alrighty, that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, WINTON School.